Alright, here is the first little configuration for this daisy seed. It is a pulse width modulated pulse oscillator with a ladder filter. I've just got two pots on here. One is mapped to the pitch of the oscillator, and the other one is the cutoff of the filter. But you can see it here on the oscillator, or on the scope here too. If I turn up the pitch and turn up the filter, you can see the pulse width modulation going there. It's controlled by a sine wave LFO. There I am adjusting the filter cutoff. Pretty nice. All of about 6 wires to put it together.